Welcome to my Life Skills channel. Recently, the World Economic Forum has finished its annual summit, and in that summit, the concentrated topic was artificial intelligence. You must be thinking, we have a Life Skills channel, and why I'm talking about artificial intelligence? It's because whether you are aware or not, whether you are a working person or non-working person, you are at any age, but all of us, we are impacted somehow by artificial intelligence. And that's why my today's topic is life skills and perception of AI. Hello, I'm Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. Actually, why I said that perception of AI, that means these days there are so many things going on about artificial intelligence. It's like, black and white. Some says that it is so dangerous, some says that it is so helpful, it is so, but what people in your day-to-day life, how you can use your life skills to manage this AI, whether how to take benefit of it and how to avoid how it hampers your day-to-day life. That's why my topic is. Again, coming to this World Economic Forum, there are people from around the world, from all sections, like politicians, state heads, technocrats, business people, the non-profits, philanthropists, everybody get together and brainstorm about different topics, and this time it was AI most. Of course, there are other things like geopolitics and other things, but AI was the, it's a big chunk was about AI. Now, what I'll do, I'll tell you, as I told you, I'll tell you 3 ways how you can use your life skill to manage this AI. But before that, I'll tell you 3 benefits of AI and 2 ways how AI hampers your life. So, number 1 benefit of AI is, of course, you know that this generative AI, it saves your time, it makes you more productive. Suppose you want to have something, find some information, you needn't go to search engine, just give a prompt to AI and it will provide you so much information. Maybe always it is not accurate, and there are some also backside, but the thing is, it saves your time and makes you more productive. Then number 2 is for solopreneurs or those who are starting from scratch. They don't want to invest capital on hiring more people, so AI is helpful for them also, because 1 or 2% can do so many things with the use of AI. Then number 3 is Medicare industry. It is using a lot of AI. Maybe you can go to some other sites or some those experts, but find who is the real expert to get more knowledge, more information about AI is in Medicare industry. That is helpful for us, right? 3 things. But coming to how AI hampers your life, number 1 is there is copyright issue. As I told you, when you collect so much information, so there is copyright issue arises, and also it is the danger, AI will sneak into your privacy, collect all your information and that publish here in anywhere. It is already happening. Even that's why New York Times, it filed complaint against OpenAI, the ChatGPT company. So that's why there is something needed to do, but at least when there is nothing, so you have to take care of that. This is the number 1, AI hampering your life, and it is not a small thing. That's why many people they are saying that. Then number 2 is AI also replacing people from their job. Even in that World Economic Forum report, one expert was saying that AI will replace more people in knowledge-based industry and frontline workers. And it's already started. You must have read some news that IBM already fired some people, and it is going to happen. So this is the thing nobody is taking. Actually, it is the duty of those companies, governments, to take care of that within this gap period, how people are suffering. So this is one thing. Then that these two are the concerns about AI. Now coming to using how you make your life skills to manage this AI. I'll tell you, number one, first you take the benefits. As I said, as a solopreneur or a startup, how you can do more work using AI, although it is not totally mistake free, but it will help you a lot. So you can use AI for that. Then number two is it is about your Medicare industry. Medicare industry also, you have to, we all of us will, because of AI, we can get more healthcare, better healthcare. Then number three is all of you need to learn the basics of AI. Just like micro learning. What is micro learning? Micro learning is maybe you are not an expert, but you should have operational knowledge about certain things. These days, because of the quick changes in this technology and in other fields, so it is imperative for all of you, all of us, to have interested in or practice micro learning, that is learning and unlearning, which is getting obsolete. Just unlearn that and learn new things. Even I have a video on micro learning. I'll give you that link in the description. You can watch that. So now you know that how your life skill will help you to manage in three ways. I told you to use the artificial intelligence, what are the benefits and how it hampers artificial intelligence. I hope this topic is beneficial for you in a real sense, and if you want to add something else, just do that in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.